WITS. They are out there. So it's going to help you to calculate it. Then we have what is called review technology content, which is a product, content of a product by a weighted average of the GDP per capita of the countries. So, but before you can get your PRODI, you must first calculate the RCA, then multiply the RCA by the productivity level of the country. So like I'm saying, there is a package that can help you calculate all these things in R. It is called EconGeo, that is economic geography package. But I think it's easier to get some of those things using WITS. But if you cannot get it from WITS, then you can use this package to do the calculation. Let me now show you how WITS work, because we always need these WITS if you are working with trade policy, definitely. So let me put us through how it's working. Sorry, I want to go to the website so that I can show you clearly, so that you know how to navigate through the website. This is website. Yeah, so this is website. So I want us to go to the website. So here you have Google. So you don't go yet. So now what you will type here is you type WITS, but put trade there so that it's not going to be taking you to something else. So which trade? Google. So this is what we are saying, World Integrated Trade Solution. So let's open it. And you have to go to the statistics section. But I'm going to show you a few things. So this is the site. Very interesting. What you first need to do. I'm here because I already have a password. The first thing is you have to log in. So, which means you have to register and log in so that you'll be able to access advanced queries and so on. So, but let me show you the beauty of this website. So you can see here, I said, not register yet, create your user identity here. So you now click here and you have to register. When you register, which will send you a link to activate your account. That is very important. But after you have done that, then you will have access to all these things that we are talking about. So many of them. So I have world, no, WIT straight. So you come here, Google. I come here. Restore. So here you have, you can come here, trace statistics by country. By country now which means you can do it by Eswatini country. These are tariffs. These are non-tariffs indicators. Then in case of bulk download, you have it here. Custom query is what is under custom query is where you so let me log in because I already have an account with them. Yeah. So now let's come to quick search. So under quick search, you have UN com trade by products. So here you have export raw data and so on and so forth. But some of those things that we are looking at, the performance indicator, you will have them under advanced query. So I need, it is called, look at it, trade outcome indicators. Can you see it clearly? Trade outcome indicators. Yes or no? Are you still there?
So, sorry, Prof. I think we still left.
Okay, wait. Can you see this website?
No, Professor.
No.
The only thing that is showing is the first
No,
part
Professor.
where you're supposed to log in.
Oh, okay. So let me, so it's not properly shared. So let me share it. Sorry. So share. This is the which one? Yeah, can you see now?
Ah, yes, we are all happy now.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Sorry for that. I don't know. Yeah. So now you come to advanced query. Under advanced query, you will see trade outcomes indicators. Trade outcomes indicators. So let's click on it. So if you want to work with it, you will see select a query. Under select a query, this is openness to trades, composition growth, and so on. Let us select openness to trade, for instance. 2014 data. Here you will see a lot of what I'm talking about. You see, we have orientation growth, export diversification, export survivor, so many of them. So many of those things that we're talking about. So let's say our interest is, let's say, let us click all groups. Then it's going to ask you for, okay, no, I've selected all group. It will say select indicator. So which indicator? You can now see clearly now. You can see this is export growth margin, so many things, growth orientation, market. This is the Affinda the HHA concentration index. Yeah. This is export market penetration. This market composition and growth. Those things that I said, peradventure, is going to be difficult for you yourself to calculate it yourself. But we have it here. You can see openness to trade. So many of them. This is trade complementarity index. All of them are here. This is trade intensity index, and so on and so forth. So all of them are here. All market composition and growth, growth orientation, global growth in values, and so all of them. So it now depends on which one you want. So let's say I need, you can calculate your HHI by products. You can calculate it by markets. So let's say that is what I want. Then you will now select the nomenclature that you want. Then you have to select the country, which is the reporter. Let's say in our situation, we want the situation for Swaziland. Then you have to look for Swaziland. I think it should be Swaziland. Yeah, SWZ. So this is Swaziland. Sorry if you are looking for a Swatini. It's not recorded as a Swatini. So you get it. So after you have done whatever you have done, then you now click proceed. So it's going to give you the results. Yeah. So, and if it complains of anything, then you try to, yeah. After everything now, you will say submit. So after submitting it, it's going to send the data. You are not going to get the data from here. It's going to send the data to your email that you use to register. Is that clear?
Yes, Prof.
Yeah, okay. So, Any question before I tell you the last thing I want to say and we round up the class for today? Yeah, any question? Mabuza.
It's fine, Prof. I don't have a question.
Okay. Class rep?
No, none, Prof, yet.
Okay,
We will
not
have
yet.
to read,
Okay.
and then we might have.
Yeah, please go over it and make sure you do your assignment. That is very, very important because I expect the assignment to come by next week, Saturday. Yeah. Don't be, that's no problem. Saturday, yeah, that is when I expect it. Then, like I told you, things that we still have to do, even on this trade policy, because we are going to still continue with trade policy. The next time we are going to be talking on regional performance, regional trade performance. So we'll be looking at gravity model itself, how to calculate it, type of data you need, how to do the estimation, how to do the interpretation, and so on. So we look at that. Then, like I told you, we'll be looking at market integration and supply response. That's another thing we are going to deal with. Then we'll be dealing with food security and poverty measures, because these are great policy matters. Then we'll be dealing with efficiency measurements too. But you can take advantage of, I have what is it called now? A training, but it's an open training. So if you have interest in it, I can send you the link so that you register. It's on measurement of technical efficiency. And it's on Friday, June 5. And between 4 and 5:30, 1.5 hours. So, but no problem if you cannot meet up with that, because for sure we are still going to do that in the class. So, but if you can meet up, then it could be an added advantage, because we have access to whatever information is shared with those people that have interest to attend the training workshop. Yeah, since you don't have any question now, I think, okay.
Yes, bro. About the notes, have you sent it by now?
I've sent a note to you quite a long time now. I'm just
Oh, email.
yeah, I sent it to your email. Class rep.
Okay, and also the conference is for free.
Pardon?
The conference is free of charge.
It's free. Everything is free. Everything is free.
Good to Amahala.
Everything is free. Not.
So, Prof, about the recording from today, are we going to get it? Because I see you've been recording, and sometimes
Yes, you will get it. But I'm really sorry, because there may be some aspect of it that may be cut off. Maybe you know I reconnect you.
Yes.
Yeah. So
okay.
That may be the reason why everything is not recorded. But I'm recording. You will get part of it definitely. No doubt about that. Or another thing I can do, I can do another recording, a video clip that is cleaner. Since you already attend the class, you will be able to catch up very well. But definitely I've recorded it, so I will see how how best to match whatever we have done together. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Prof.
So, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prof.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prof.